Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
So your visit to this Krishna Balram temple in Jagatpura, so we are very grateful that you have come here.
Yes.
So you have seen our programs and you also gone through. So first of all, I will be asking you, and that we are coming up with biggest project. One biggest cultural complex is coming up in Rajasthan. That will be around 200 feet height cultural complex.
Wow.
It's the biggest temple. So what is your view about that program or that?
So I think that जहाँ पे एक opportunity दी जाती है वहीं पे आपको opportunity मिलती है. तो जैसे like when you want to promote education, you need a good school as a foundation. Where we want to connect with spirituality or the higher forces, we need a good ground. And what better than something like this coming the temple in Jaipur? I'm very excited because that is going to be the foundation where a lot of youth is going to come and truly experience what divinity is, through a lot of cultural activities. And it's great that today's generation, we need something like this. We need a platform.
Yes. So now we talk about this Akshay Patra Kitchen, which is a
Yes.
social initiative.
Yes.
We are feeding around 1 lakh children in Jaipur, and entire India we are feeding around 20 lakh children. So पूरे देश के बच्चों को रोज 20 लाख बच्चों तक भोजन पहुंचाया जा रहा है और आज तक करीब 400 करोड़ बच्चों को खिलाया जा चुका है खाना. तो आप इसके बारे में क्या बोलेंगे?
अक्षय पात्र का जो किचन है, मेरा ये सौभाग्य रहा है कि मैं जयपुर में वृंदावन का मैंने किचन देखा है. एंड आज मैं जयपुर में आई हूँ तो इनका भी अक्षय पात्र किचन देखना चाहूँगी. आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड. और ये जो एक पावर दिया है आप सभी लोगों को अक्षय पात्र किचन के थ्रू, ये जो हरे कृष्णा मूवमेंट है इसके थ्रू, that is the power of the divine. He is feeding all these lakhs of children, and even if we are a small part of it, it's our good karma. I think so.
Right. So nice. So this is because of Krishna Balram's blessings we are able to do it.
Yeah.
Next program we are doing actually one Heritage Fest, which is an inter-school competition. We are doing in different states, but if we talk about Jaipur,
Yes.
we are taking care of around 10,000 students are participating in this.
Wow.
And there are various activities, and this time we are doing on Ayodhya theme. Ram Mandir has come up in India. Everybody is happy about that.
Kya baat.
So this Heritage Fest, which is having around 13 events. So there are children are coming with a new Vedic costume. They are doing classical dance, bhajans, all these things. So what is your view about these programs?
So ये जो हेरिटेज फेस्टिवल है, अगेन हरे कृष्णा मूवमेंट प्रेजेंट्स द हेरिटेज फेस्ट. आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड टू नो बिकॉज हम जिस इंस्टाग्राम एज और जो टिकटॉक एज में रहते हैं ना, वहाँ पे यूथ को बहुत एक्सपोजर मिलता है वेस्टर्न कल्चर से. सो दे हैविंग अ लॉट ऑफ वेस्टर्न इन्फ्लुएंस, और हमारा कल्चर कहीं खो ना जाए, इसीलिए ये ऐसा हेरिटेज फेस्ट बहुत ज़रूरी है. और इसमें गीता श्लोक चांटिंग, मुझे याद है हम स्कूल जब बचपन में हमारे मैं नानी के कॉलोनी में जाती थी, वहाँ पे एक one lady used to take that initiative. So I have done some shlokas of some chapters of Gita.
कौन सी सिटी में आप जान सकते हैं?
मुंबई में.
Oh.
तो but something like this on such a huge scale, it's outstanding. और क्लासिकल डांस होगा यहाँ पे, वैदिक कॉस्ट्यूम. What better to know our mythology and that aspect through for children. This is the only way to get dressed and to see skits, to understand what our mythology was all about. रंगोली कंपटीशन है, भजन सिंगिंग है, क्या बात है. एंड ऑफ कोर्स उसके अलावा पेंसिल शेडिंग, हैंड राइटिंग, पेंटिंग, कुछ भी छोड़ा नहीं. Amazing. Like I would be really happy to be a part of an initiative like this.
So nice. So final last program we are going to do in the month of May and April. There is one program named as Gita Contest.
Yes.
So as of now we are distributing the books and giving them books to read, and the competition will happen in the month of April and May. So what is your view about, if you the Bhagavad Gita, which is the most famous book of the world now, through ISKCON we are publishing Bhagavad Gita in 87 languages, and Bhagavad Gita, the millions of copies are being distributed throughout the world. Now we want to promote this Bhagavad Gita among the schools and different section of societies. So we have to motivate them to read the Bhagavad Gita and give them exam competition so that some attraction is there, some motivation is there to read the Bhagavad Gita. So what is your view about this Gita contest?
So गीता कॉन्टेस्ट जो है इसके ज़रिए like you will get to know again, like I said, you know, Gita gives us the true wisdom of how to live life. Like a lot of people go through life without knowing how to live, how to confront people, how to confront situations, the different situations that life throws at us. And like it says कि गीता कॉन्टेस्ट अंदर के अर्जुन की खोज, तो हम सब अर्जुन हैं और कृष्ण जी जो है हमें गाइड कर रहे हैं. और आई थिंक इससे बेहतर क्या हो सकता है कि आपको एक सही मार्ग, यू नो, लाइक योर नॉट, आजकल देयर आर सो मेनी वेरिएशंस ऑफ गीता. It could be diluted, it could be someone's own version, but you are getting from an authentic source, and what better. So I'm really happy again. ये हो रहा है 27 अप्रैल 2024. पार्टिसिपेट कीजिए ज़रूर, मेरी बचपन की कुछ यादें ताज़ा हो रही है. Yes.
So nice.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for appreciating our programs.
Oh, thank you.
Please say Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.
So we'll say Hari Bol.
Hari Bol.
Hari Bol.